We've all heard it before, air duct cleaning for $99. It's tempting to go for the cheapest option, but you should know that air duct cleaning scams are real. Companies advertising super low rates can really cost you in the long run. The company may surprise you with hidden charges or possibly cause damage to your HVAC system. Properly cleaning your HVAC system takes time, up to 6 hours depending on the size of your home, and legitimate companies have legitimate expenses. Could a company afford to do all this for only $99? They'd be out of business. If someone offers you $99 duct cleaning, either they aren't trained professionals or they'll surprise you with hidden charges once they're in your home. Possibly both. If you're looking for a reputable air duct cleaner, ask if they're certified by NADCA, the National Air Duct Cleaners Association. NADCA members are trained and certified to clean your HVAC system to the highest standard, carry insurance, and adhere to a code of ethics. Visit breathingclean.com to find a certified air duct cleaning professional near you.